Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add and delete contacts in Skype application. So how to add and delete contacts in Skype application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we enter the Skype application on our computer or laptop. To add contacts, here are several ways. The first way is to invite friends. Tap the contact icon. In the contact section, tap New Contact. Here several options will appear. Select Invite to Skype. Now here you can tap Copy to Clipboard. Now from this link you can send it to your friends who will be added. The second way is to add a number. The method is to enter the contact menu. In the Contact section, tap New Contact. Here several options will appear. Select Tap Add a phone number. Now here the input menu will appear. In the section Name, fill in the contact name, for example I filled in Test. In the Phone section, tap this icon to determine the country. Scroll down to find the country to be added. Or by tap Search and type the country. Tap the country to be selected. In the Phone section here tap and type the number you will enter. Once finished, tap Save. After that you can see the contacts that have been added. Enter the Contact menu. And here we can see the newly added contact has appeared. The third way is to add by searching. Your friend's contact name. Tap on the search menu here. In the search menu tap People. Type your friend's Skype contact name. For example here I am, test_1. Well here it has come out. Direct to Contact and tap right on Contact. And tap Add Contact. Can exit this menu. And here we can see the newly added contact has appeared. Next. If you want to delete a contact, navigate to the contact to be deleted. Tap right and select Delete Contact. And tap Delete Contact again. So that's it. Tutorial how to add and delete contacts in Skype application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.